Once in a while, you should try out making some baked chicken because it needs less time to cook and it always turns out juicy, delicious, and super flavorful. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious baked chicken quarters, which are going to turn out very succulent, delicious, and they are going to be perfect for you if you have some guests over because you can let the chicken bake while you make the rest of the dishes. So grab the ingredients and let's make this delicious meal. You'll need a kg of chicken for this recipe, and I'm using chicken quarters. You can also use a whole chicken, chop up and add into the recipe. Also, you need a few spices, some soy sauce, olive oil, salt, tomato paste, and fresh rosemary. And you're going to find all the ingredients listed in the description box in the right quantity. So you're going to start off by patting dry your chicken because it's nice and clean. Always wash your chicken before cooking. Then you're going to transfer to your bowl. And once done, you'll pick your chicken and cut slits into the chicken thighs and drumstick. And once you're done, you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, together with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add in a tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Add in a little bit of salt because soy sauce has some sodium. Add in your fresh rosemary sprigs, and you're going to hold the top part of the spring and pull the leaves. And lastly, you're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of tomato paste. Go in with your hands and massage in the seasoning on the skin of the chicken underneath. With very basic spices like paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder, together with black pepper, the chicken is going to turn out very flavorful. And also adding in the soy sauce is going to add in some umami flavor as well as a very nice salty taste to the chicken. The olive oil is going to make the chicken very, very flavorful. If you have some fresh rosemary, it's the best for the recipe because it's super flavorful. As you can see, the chicken is well coated with the seasoning, so now it's time to marinate. And you're going to marinate for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, or if you have time, marinate overnight in the fridge, and the chicken is going to be super flavorful. When your chicken is well marinated, you're going to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and you'll need a baking tray for baking or roasting your chicken in the oven. For me, I'm using a glass baking tray, which is going to perfectly bake my chicken. So now I'm going to carefully pick my chicken and transfer to my baking tray. If you're going to be making lots of chicken for your family or you have some guests over, don't overcrowd your baking tray because the chicken needs to bake perfectly. So you can use 2 trays to bake your chicken. Now, you're going to bake your chicken at 200 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. And in those 45 minutes, the chicken is going to get very juicy and tender. So avoid over baking. This is how the chicken is looking straight from the oven, and as you can see, the skin is super crispy. We have some chicken juices in the pan, and also, yeah, it's smelling so good from the rosemary. Using a kitchen brush, I'm going to spread the chicken juices on the skin of the chicken, and it's going to add in moisture and make the skin look super glossy. When done basting your chicken, let it sit for around 5 minutes so that the chicken can relax, and it's going to turn out super juicy. So this is after 5 minutes. I'm going to use a tongue, lift up my chicken and serve. I'm salivating because, yeah, the kitchen is smelling amazing. The chicken is looking so gorgeous. I'm going to garnish with some coriander. So this is how I've plated up my chicken, and it's looking gorgeous as always. We have a lemon wedge, which is going to cut out the strong chicken taste, and this is a perfect way to serve some delicious lunch or dinner for your family, because it's going to take only 1 hour, or if you have already marinated your chicken, and it's going to turn out super amazing. So you can serve the chicken over some rice, mashed potatoes, and it's going to be the best time ever.